Welcome to the journey of freedom, where will be revised three defining moments of India's struggle for independence: the 1857 Dandi March and Quick India's movements.
In 1857, India witnessed its first major revolt against the British rule, sparking a fire of resistance that would grow over the years. The Dandi March in 1930, led by Mahatma Gandhi, marked the beginning. Non-violent civil responsible and the Quiet India movement was the final call for the British to leave India.
This course of history igniting the spirit of freedom. Today nation we are honor legacy and sacrifice made by independence.
Let's celebrate the unbreakable will of India. People of India was won through courage and unity of sacrifice. Jai Hind!
भारत माँ जो सैकड़ों सालों से गुलामी की जंजीरों में जकड़ी हुई थी, उसे आजाद कराने का समय आ गया था। आजादी के सपने को साकार करने का संग्राम 1857 से शुरू हुआ।
भोर होगी क्या कभी यहाँ, पूछती यही ये बेड़ियाँ, देख तो कौन है ये।
Hello everyone, we are presenting a journey of Indian freedom movement. In 1857, there was a soldier named Mangal Pandey. He was the part of British Army. But when he realized how badly the British were treating Indians, he decided to stand up for his country. He refused to use the new rifle cartridge that were made from animals' fat.
I will not do this. This is wrong and I will fight for my people.
Mangal Pandey's bravery inspired many others to join the fight for freedom. Soon, the movement spread across India. Later, in Jhansi, three brave leaders, Rani Lakshmibai, Tatya Tope and Nana Sahib, are talking about how to fight the British and protect their land.
The British think they can take our Jhansi, but I will not let that happen. Jhansi will remain free, no matter what. Rani Lakshmibai, I will fight by your side. I know the land and I know how to lead our soldiers. Together we can defeat that.
And I will get the support from everywhere. We have brave soldiers and strong peoples ready to join us. The British might have any army, but we have courage and love for our country that will help us win.
For Jhansi, for India, we will not go down to the British. We will fight with all our strength. Yes, we must be strong. Every soldier, every farmer, every man and every woman. Everyone must stand up for India's freedom. Together we will show the British that we can't control us. We are not afraid. India belongs to us. The spirit of freedom is with us. The fight for freedom is our duty and we will never forget it. Victory will be ours.
Though the struggle was difficult, the bravery of these leaders inspired the generations to come. The fight for the freedom continued and the India's independence won many years later. was under the British rule, many brave freedom fighters also fought for the India's independence. 3 of them were Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru.
Friends, we must fight for our country's freedom. The British are exploiting and oppressing us.
I agree. We must use our courage and strength to drive them out. We will not be afraid of the British. We will fight for our country and freedom.
One day, they were caught by the British police and brought to court. The British officer, Mr. Saunders, was furious with them.
You 3 are rebels and you will be punished for your crimes and you will be hanged to death.
बेताब हमारे दिल में एक मस्ती सी छाई है मैं देश अलविदा तुझको कहने की घड़ी आई है
We are not afraid of death. We are fighting for our country's freedom. We will not betray our country. We will die for our country, but we will not give up our fight for freedom.
The 3 friends were hanged to death on March 23, 1931, but their sacrifice was not in vain. Their bravery and courage inspired many others to fight for the India's freedom.
Inqilab Zindabad! Inqilab Zindabad! Inqilab Zindabad! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! We will be free one day.
आजादी का शोला बनके खून रगों में डोला मेरा रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे
In 1930, British rule in India was harsh. Indians were not allowed to make their own salt a basic necessity. To protest this unjust law, Mahatma Gandhi, the great leader, decided to walk to the sea and make salt himself. This called as Dandi March.
Why is Gandhiji walking so far? He is walking to the sea to make salt. The British do not want us to make salt.
Mahatma Gandhi and his followers walked for 24 days, covering 241 miles. Along the way, they inspired many Indians to join this cause.
Friends, we are walking for our freedom. We will not be slaves anymore. We will make our own wealth and show the British that we can live without them. Jai Hind! 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 This salt is a symbol of our freedom. We will no longer be ruled by fear.
The Dandi March was a powerful act of defense. It showed the world the strength of the Indian people and their determination to be free.
Jai Hind! 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 Jai Hind!
In early 1940s, India was still under the British rule. But one man, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, formed the Azad Hind Force or the Indian National Army to fight India's independence. They traveled to the different countries, gathering support and resources for their cause.
तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. We will fight for our country's freedom, no matter what the cost. We will make India proud and free it from British rule. We are ready to fight, Netaji. We will follow you to the end. We will march to Delhi and free India. We will make our country proud.
The Azad Hind Force fought bravely in many battles, including the Battle of Imphal and the Battle of Kohima. Although they ultimately lost the war, their bravery and sacrifice inspired many Indians to fight for its independence.
We may have lost this battle, but we will win the war. मेरा भारत एक दिन जरूर आजाद होगा.
It's 1942 now. India is still under the British rule and the people are tired of being controlled. Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and Sardar Patel came together to discuss the next step of the fight for freedom.
We must tell the British to quit India. It is time for us to be free. But we will fight peacefully using non-violence as we always have. Yes, Bapu, the whole country is ready. The youth, the farmers and the workers all will join this movement. We are united in our demand for independence. The British must live together. We will show our strength and unity. This time we will not stop until India is free.
In August 1942, Gandhiji gave the call of the Quit India movement. The people of the India rose up with courage, and though there were many challenges, their fight for freedom grew stronger. Finally, in 1947, India got its independence.
We are free. Our fight was long, but we stayed true to our principle of non-violence. This is a victory of every Indian. Freedom is ours. Together we made India free. Let's build a strong nation. चलो हम मिलकर एक ताकतवर भारत बनाएंगे. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय हिंद, जय भारत, भारत माता की जय.
The Quit India movement showed the power of unity and non-violence. It was a big step towards the Indians' independence in 1947. Let's clap and cheer for our amazing dancers.